The Mazda 3, also known as the Mazda Axela in Japan, is a compact car that has been produced by the Japanese automaker Mazda since 2003. The Mazda 3 is a significant model for Mazda, as it has been a bestseller for the company and has played a crucial role in establishing Mazda as a major player in the global automotive market. The first-generation Mazda 3 was introduced in 2003, replacing the Mazda Protege. The car was designed to be a fun-to-drive, fuel-efficient, and affordable compact car that would appeal to a wide range of buyers. The Mazda 3 was available in sedan and hatchback body styles, and it was powered by a range of gasoline and diesel engines. The first-generation Mazda 3 was a major success for Mazda, thanks to its sporty styling, agile handling, and impressive fuel economy. The car was praised by critics and owners alike, and it quickly established itself as one of the best compact cars on the market. In 2009, Mazda introduced the second-generation Mazda 3, which featured a more aggressive and dynamic design. The new Mazda 3 was also more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly, thanks to the introduction of new engine technologies and aerodynamic improvements. In 2014, Mazda introduced the third-generation Mazda 3, which featured a more refined and sophisticated design. The new Mazda 3 was also more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly, thanks to the introduction of new engine technologies and aerodynamic improvements. The third-generation Mazda 3 was another major success for Mazda, and it helped to further establish the company as a major player in the global automotive market. The car was praised for its sporty handling, impressive fuel economy, and high-quality interior.